Okay girls, this is the last example in the momentum and impulse section. So it's about space junk, and this is quite a hard question, so really I guess it's extra for experts. So let's write down the things that we know anyway. So the first thing we know is the mass of the satellite, which is 300 kilograms. Sorry about the shadows here, I need to fix that next time. The initial velocity of the satellite is 5,000 meters per second, and we need to increase that to a final velocity of 6,000 meters per second. And the force we know is 1,500 newtons. And what we're trying to find is the time required for those thrusters to work, to exert that force. And the formula that we know, the thing is change in momentum is force multiplied by change in time. So this is what we're trying to work out. We know that. Before we can work out the time, we need the change in momentum first. Okay, so number one is calculate the change in momentum, and as in the last example, the change in momentum will be your final momentum minus your initial momentum, and that's going to be your mass times your final velocity, so m times vf minus m times vi. So instead of working them out separately, the momentums, I'm just doing it in one big hit. So the mass is 300 times 6,000 minus 300 times 5,000, which gives us 300,000 kilogram meters per second as our change in momentum. Okay, and then secondly, we need to find the change in time, so we're looking for this one now. So we know that the change in momentum is force times change in time. So we know that 300,000 is 1,500 times a change in time. So we're going to divide both sides by 1,500. 300,000 divided by 1,500 will give you your change in time. And your change in time, when you calculate that, is 200 seconds. So we need to fire those thrusters for 200 seconds to get that 1,000 meter per second change in speed. And as I said, that is quite a difficult question, and it's the final one in this section of momentum and impulse. Well done, girls, for working your way through all of those examples. Good on you.